Hey! Non te coi prendere ora mi camera!
Ja, maak het uit.
No!
Maak het uit.
No!
Stinky.
Butakan sa hindi, si Butasi.
Butakan sa hindi stinky.
I don't stink.
Who's making fun?
Amigas, I don't stink, okay? Trust me, I don't stink. I smell
Guilty.
very, very nice.
Guilty.
Stinky ba ito? Ruik, lekker ruik. Stinky?
You forgot that you kidnapped me.
You're not funny. Stinky! When you're
Baby, it's
present.
a big dark world. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. I'll protect you with my lies. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. Just let me love you. Just let me love you. Just let me love you. Just let me love you.
It's my 3K subscriber giveaway for this beautiful Kopolishi and Lovelies by Lulu necklace is... Hey amiga, what is up and welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Jennyfer Ross and I'm back at it again with yet another video. I am currently waiting for the bus. I am on my way to the station to go pick up my sister. She is coming one day to visit me. There are still a lot of restrictions going on here in Belgium, but you are allowed to visit your family, so that's what's going to happen today. She's gonna come and visit me. We have a little surprise for her that she doesn't know about yet. So yeah, I'm now gonna wait for the bus. Hopefully it won't take long. Have my mask on because, you know, Corona, you know, you already know. I don't even need to explain this at this point, I think. But yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I hope this is gonna be a fun day. So let's go. So at the station now, waiting for my sister. She should be here in about 15 minutes, so just gonna wait. And I'm sweating. I have a sweaty glow.
Deze trein rijdt daarna voor naar Brussels-Zuid, wanneer le train IC à destination de Bruxelles-Serpent, Zaventem, Bruxelles-Midi, 10h25, arrive wanneer
Where's a busy masker?
No, I was just trying to get my camera.
Ah, okay.
Vlog you.
What? You sexy or whatever? Okay. Okay, it's hot though.
Okay, and put on my mask.
Yeah.
What's up, amiga?
Hey! Put it back on, girl.
Yeah.
Mas kita bobokas oh.
It's gonna mess up my lip gloss.
I know, but like
Then I think, well,
this.
yay, she's here.
Open your present.
Hey! What? Damn. Y'all really got this?
Yes. Since you're so serious about it, we wanted to help you out.
Damn, I don't know what to cry when I'm like this place, like I can't believe it, me.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah. I was kind of like, she kind of spoiled it a little bit.
Did I?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Daddy always calls present.
She was like, kind of, but I was kind of thought it, but
You did?
een beetje. Je had nog iets gezegd later op FaceTime and you were like smiling.
Shit. Nou, ik zei zo tegen haar. Van ik denk wel dat nadat je bij ons bent geweest, dat je editing game omhoog gaat. En I meant like the Final Cut Pro. Of course I hinted something else too. But like happy?
Is this mine?
Yes it is.
Yeah,
Yes it
I
is.
can't believe it.
you can get the best deal.
No. Damn, a bitch, need a minute, man.
Aww.
Thank you.
You're so.
Waarom ben ik sorry.
You're so welcome. I hope this helps your vlogging game.
Noos, je gaat over de hè?
Nee.
Moet ik het voor jou openmaken?
Really?
Ja, ik weet niet.
Oh.
I'm just kind of people.
Je mesje.
All right. I'm gonna finish getting ready.
Again?
Had to take a second shower because it's too hot.
Excited.
What is going on?
I don't know, I'm just excited. Oh, are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Bitch, let me tell you something. Well, your girl got a new camera from her sis and her niece. You already know what it is. These vlogs gonna be popping the fuck.
So we are now at Hawaiian Pokeball. We got everything fixed with Nose, her computer, with like a little device that she had to watch like series on.
Did you tell them something about my computer?
Yeah, I think so. At the beginning of the, I don't really even know. Anyways, we're now in the city center having Pokeballs, as you can see. It's really good, but we are really hungry, so we're gonna quickly eat and then hopefully make something out of this vlog. All right, we moved tables because my sister almost dropped her camera. She almost dropped my camera.
And she was going to kill me.
Yeah, she would have to give me hers, the one that I just gifted her. And like hopefully no hornets over here. But it's freaking hot. Oh my god. It's good though.
You are my world in every place. It's the things that you do. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
So we are now at the Les Atelier and we're having like a little Red Bull and dessert after lunch.
Dessert after lunch.
Yes.
This is a model dessert.
Yeah, it's like a pick-me-up, you know, because we need it. We are slow because of this weather. Like
Slow as fuck.
slow. You're not gonna open it?
Just hot, sis.
Alright.
I'm just hot.
Alright. So amiga, we are now having a little drink and spell chicken. Where it's at, it's so hot. Like, honestly, no, isn't it hot?
Yeah, I'm dead, man. I can't function.
It is so hot. Like, oh my god. I feel disgusting. I want to go home and shower. I feel so sweaty.
My skin is also breaking out.
Yeah, me too.
Because of this heat. You know, in summer you never know if it's like mosquito bites or just pimples. Gross. Just fucking gross.
It is. Okay. How much degrees is it today?
32.
Dog fight. Oh, bitch fight. It's good though. We're having hot chocolate. It's like a lychee drink. Yeah, that's a little update. We're at Groenplaats. Anyways, I have nothing to say, so.
Let's going home.
Yes, my shop over.
Hallo.
Hallo.
Nam.
Rosaria. Laptop, yes. Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Ik ga niet mee. Bye, honey. I love you.
Baby, it's a big dark world. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. I'll protect you with my lies. You don't need to know about that. Don't need to know about that. Just let me love you. 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 Just let me.
Lekker flesje drinken? Lekker hè, mama? Ja, hè? Hey, Novi. Hey, Novi, tante to baby. Leuk, hè? We spelen? Say smile. Hey, amiga. Today is a new day, and I am babysitting my goddaughter Nova today. Her parents dropped her off like earlier today, and I'm having so much fun. I feel so blessed trying to reach for the camera. Oh, are you good? Are you good, mommy? Are you trying to vlog? Are you gonna vlog for me? When you're a little bit bigger, I'm gonna let you do the vlogs, okay? Boop, boop. And she is such a sweet baby. She hasn't even been crying or whatsoever. And she was also very, very excited when she saw me. She was so happy, which I thought was so cute. Like, look at this. Look at this little face. Look at that. Weren't you so excited to see me, Novi? She's so cute. Yeah, I think her parents are on their way to come pick her back up. But we have been watching a movie. She just woke up from her little nap. I tried to feed her, but she didn't really want to eat. So I think she's not really hungry or anything. But she is just the cutest. And look at the little feet. Like... Oh, I love her so much. So cute. I have to vlog it. I really have to. Because then I have this to look back at when she leaves again, because it's been so long since I've seen her, and she grew so much since the last time I saw her. But she's not that big yet. So, like, she's 6 months now, but she is still tiny and cute. And my little sweet potato. Aren't you? Aren't you, mommy? And I'm just happy that she's having a good time. And she feels good when she's with me. That's super important to me. So, great. Great. I'm so happy. Are you eating your toy? I think her little teeth are coming out. So. Mag ik bij je komen liggen? Mag ik bij je komen liggen? Ja? Mag ik bij je komen liggen? Wat gaan we doen? Are you having a good time, Nobes? Ja? Are you? Oh, you're so cute. You're such a blessing, Novi. You're such a blessing. My heart can't handle this. You're so cute. So Nova's parents came to pick her up. And she's on the ground. Hey, Kimmy.
Waarom moet ik tegen Jamoraan spelen?
Waarom? Omdat dingen is...
I don't know what they're talking about.
Yeah, so many things. Yeah, but the day 34, 39.
Hey, mama! Hey! Hey! Dag, liefie. Kom je gauw weer?
Ja.
Kom je gauw weer?
Ja, nee, misschien gewoon even, mag hem wat opgaan, gewoon laat. Dat is al één, ja. Kun je papier maken uitgezakt? Ah, je komt daar aan de opgemeten, terwijl het normen houdt. She's alright.
Oh.
She's alright.
Mami heeft jou gemist. Ga je vloggen? Ga je vloggen? So it's actually a few days later, and I'm about to do like a little get ready with me. I'm about to go get ready to get some errands done. Nothing really special, but I do need to wash my hair because, as you can see, it's hella crusty. So, and I haven't seen my hair curly in forever. So I thought I would include that into this vlog. So yeah, I'm about to head in the shower now.
niet dat jaagde je me weg, maar niet.
Ik zei dat ik bezig ben met een video.
Ja, ga weg. Dat zei je.
Dat heb ik niet gezegd.
In nette woorden wel.
Nee, heb ik niet gezegd. Dus wat ben je bezig? What is that all about?
Can you please get that camera out of my face?
Why?
Can I just...
It's not in your face, it's over your shoulder.
Okay, can you please get it out of my shoulder?
Anyways, I am now showered and I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna apply my skincare
You are
first.
showered and you still stink?
Shut the fuck up! I don't stink.
Hey. Mind your language, okay? Stinky.
Panayo, wat pa niya ang kaya kumitole? Stinky? Terwijl ik net ben gedoucht.
Toch stink je.
Shut up! You stink, you hater.
If you don't stink, why do you make a big deal out of it?
Big deal out of what?
You
I
shower.
wouldn't want for people to think that I stink.
People, she stinks. I mean, she stinks.
Yeah, that's why you're here, because you love the stank,
I
huh?
know. I have no choice.
Shut the hell up, man. Okay, quick counts.
We can't, stinky. Stinky, you.
Butakan sa hindi, si Butasi.
Butakan sa hindi, stinky.
I don't stink.
Who's making fun?
Amigas, I don't stink, okay? Trust me, I don't stink. I smell
Guilty.
very, very nice.
Guilty.
Small!
Mas grande, stinky.
Jij moet je schamen dat je dan met zo'n stinky bent. Kom. Stinky ben ik toch? Stinky ben ik toch? Ruik, lekker ik ruik. Stinky?
You forgot that you kidnapped me.
You're not funny.
Stinky.
Ik ben geen stinky.
Ew. Ken je dinges? Winnie man van Looney Tunes? Pelle Pepu of wat heet.
Pelle Pepu, ken je
Ja.
Zeta?
Ga opzoeken.
Shut the fuck up.
Ken je niet van
Jij
Looney
moet je
Tunes?
schamen dan. Dat je
Pelle
wel een
Pepu.
stinky bent.
Stinky.
Stinky de Bosanka.
Stinky.
Bombasta.
Bombasta, stinky. Bombasta, stinky.
Can you get out of my room? See what you did. No!
Stinky. I'm too stinky for Benny. Too stinky for Benny. Too stinky for Benny.
Fix the bed, thank you.
Amigas, this side
Thanks.
smells good, but this side is the stinky side. You need to be honest to your amigas, Jenny. Trying to paint the perfect picture.
I don't stink. Benny, now you have to say that I don't stink because it's not funny. Asshole.
Do all your amigas speak Papiamento? Don't you have like English and Dutch amigas?
Yes, I do.
So why are you keep constantly speaking Papiamento?
Because you're
You have
annoying.
no respect for your amigas.
Yes, I do.
Especially the Dutch one and the English one. You have no respect. Stinky. Amigas, she doesn't stink. I was just annoying her. She smells good. Jenny, you smell good.
You're so annoying. You're so annoying. Oh my god, you're so annoying. Anyways, hair time. I haven't seen my hair curly in forever, so I'm gonna do like a quick little wash and go. Just style it with two products, my curl enhancing smoothie and also my Ego Styler gel. So let me just quickly do that.
Colorful and bright, yeah. I wanna be a 9 to 5. You made me come alive, babe. I wanna be the time of your life. Come change my life just for a while. Let's go for a ride now. Outside the club, we come alive. Let's go for a ride, yeah. I wanna get to know you. I don't wanna leave so soon. You and me forever, or maybe just for tonight. Do you wanna get to know me? I will give it all to you. You and me forever. Don't care about nothing else. Making it happen, yeah. Cause you're a winner. I'm not gonna fall down. This ain't my final round. Hey, drinking Annie in the corner. I don't wanna be alone. Hey, sitting looking like a loser.
I finished getting ready. I didn't do much makeup, as you can see. And yeah, I'm not sure about this top either, but I'm just going to action. Like, what does it even matter, you know? I'm gonna put on some makeup. I'm gonna put on a perfume. And for my perfume today, I think I'm gonna go with Miss Dior. Spread some of that on. Oh, it smells good. I love this shit. And I'm wearing jeans on the bottom, but I'll show you in a second. Let me just choose a necklace. Since today is the final day of my giveaway, I'm gonna put on this necklace. Okay, I am ready. I have my outfit on and everything. I'm wearing like an outfit in which you can ask like, what the hell is she wearing? But I think it's fine. I don't care that much. I'm just going to action. But it is this top. It is from H&M. The cardigan is actually also from H&M. And then I'm wearing these jeans from New Look. These slides are from Zara. My everyday watch. This cord bracelet from Concept Statement. In the shape of my beautiful island croissant. I'm wearing my Kokolishi and Lovely's by Lulu collab necklace, the Handelskade necklace. Super happy with it still. Like, look at that, that's so cute. Wearing these earrings from H&M. Very minimal and simple makeup. And I'm wearing my hair in this half up, half down type of situation. Now let's go to the supermarket, shall we, darling? Not supermarket, let's go to action. Let's get these errands done.
Cards on the table, your turn to play. We can't turn back now. We know how this will go. It's so sad that I'm leaving. I just don't see no other way. And it seems like you feel the same. Could have had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me, keep on making me misbehave. I don't want you when you're making me feel this way, like I'm the one to blame. Nah, bringing it all up. It's time to get out. Everything's different. I know how this will go. I'm so sorry for leaving. I can't even believe it. Maybe we'll meet again. Could have had everything, but you had to go and mess it all up. Whatever you want me to do, yeah, you know that I won't do that. When you're saying those things to me.
Okay, amiga, your girl is back home and I'm quickly gonna do like a little action haul. It is nothing really special, but it's all stuff for the house, but also still very important. So I wanted to share that with you anyways. So the first thing I got is this big box, like see how big this is, of washing detergent or laundry detergent, like a very big one. And this box lasts us up to 6 months, so that is more than enough for me. Then I also got some Woolite wash softener or laundry softener. It smells really good as well. It smells so good. This one is in the scent, I don't know, it's in this, I really don't know what exactly it says, but I think it's Polish or something. But anyways, fine by me. I just know that it's good. And then I also got like these little pearls to boost the scent even more of the laundry. Really love using those. And I got like 2 bottles of Dove. I got the blue one, the original one, and also like the gold one. I love both of these. We were running out. We have 1 bottle left, and I always like to have like a little stack of things. So that's that. Then I also got this bathroom cleaner. Very nice, easy spray bottle. Love that for me. And then I got batteries because both of our clocks are done. Like the battery is dead, so we need to replace them. And I feel like without my clocks, my life is just out of control. This whole day has been a little bit out of control since my clocks don't work, you know, so I constantly need to check the time on my phone or on my watch, and like, no, I need my big clocks. I have this big clock above my vanity. As soon as I wake up, it's the first thing that I look at, and it's really helping me out, so I need that back. And then this is definitely something that I did not need, but I thought it was so cute, so I wanted to get it. And it's like a Mr. and Mrs. cup. Since tomorrow is Benny and I's 7th anniversary. Tomorrow we will be together for 7 years. So I wanted to like make coffee in these cute cups for us. So yeah, even though I'm not Mrs. yet, but he better put a ring on it and quick, okay? But yeah, that's it for my little haul. So before we end this video, I wanna announce the giveaway winner. The giveaway winner of this beautiful necklace, my 3K subscriber giveaway for this beautiful Kokolishi and Lovelies by Lulu necklace is Lizzen Brazen. Thank you so much for supporting me. She has been supporting me for a very long time. I have seen her comments for so many years pop up in the comments. So thank you so much for supporting me, and I am super appreciative of everyone's support. So don't be sad if you didn't win. Like, there will be more giveaways, and I promise you, as my channel continues to grow, I will give back by doing like more giveaways and stuff. So definitely stick around, there will be more. A special shout out goes out to Lovelies by Lulu and also Kokolishi Curacao. Make sure to check out their pages. They have awesome stuff. Like, I'm super proud that these two ladies are from Curacao and that they're making these dope things. So make sure to give them a check them out on Instagram. Follow them, let them know that Jennifer has sent you. And yes, I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I'm sorry if this vlog is a little bit all over the place, but you know, I didn't want to waste my time because I still put time into making all of this footage. So yeah, I wanted to make something out of it. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Love you, and mwah!